60,000 dots per square inch, high resolution, 60 frames per second. It's like it's taking a picture 60 times in 1 second. And then you get more dots per square inch, which means that you'll be able to see every tiny little leaf and detail of the branch, like right behind you. With this quality recording video, oh, did you hear that? Is that our bird friend back? If you wanted to do a painting or a drawing, you could probably do something like with this painting, you know, like with branches out like.
Next time we go canoeing, we're gonna go in this spot, and I'm gonna bring my sketchbook.
Oh yeah. He was introducing and then seeing some life that's pretty wild.
That branch does look like a bird. Let's get closer to that. Look at that. Got it? And Tata is leading. Bye-bye, Tata.
And we're just having breakfast in Dolphin, right off the coastline of Anna Maria Island, Holmes Beach. And now it's time to go get a little closer. What do you say? It could be under us too at the moment, you know. They're gonna mess with me, I think. There it is. We're hanging out with the dolphin in the morning. Look at that. Look at that. Then you're good. You're good. Look at that. There's a whole school of dolphin right here. There they are. Look at them.
Okay, yeah.
Can you see under the boat? I call it a boat, but it's a kayak. Look at they're there. They're there. Look at. They're right next to us. Did you see them? There they are. Look at that. This is what we came here for. This is what we came here for. Did you hear him? Did you hear him? You can hear him. Look at that. You know they communicate with each other. Look at that! Look at that! He's showing off. It's a whole family, so like they're communicating with each other and stuff. They're like, hey, I think some